What's that, Kayla? Why your heart is pink? You have a pink heart?
Mommy, this is your heart.
My heart?
Someone just make it for you.
Okay. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's pink.
Oh.
But pink, but pink is peachy, but this pink is diamond heart.
Okay.
My teacher's wall. I see a picture. Some heart is pink.
Alright.
Do you love it?
Yes, I love it.
Mommy, I hope someone make it for you.
Wow, so sweet.
See, it's pink.
Alright, it's pink. It matches with your damit. You know, your blouse.
Mommy, this is for you.
Wow, so sweet naman.
Mommy, you too.
Why you give me this one?
Because it's for you.
It's for me.
Yeah.
So what's the meaning of this heart, by the way? What's the meaning of this, Chayla? What's the meaning?
Heartbeat.
Heartbeat?
Pink.
Heartbeat. Oh, what's the meaning of this heartbeat then? Why there's heart? What's the meaning?
Mommy, for you anyways.
I know. Okay. Sige, thank you for this. What are you doing? Alright. Okay, thank you.
This one can fit in there.
Okay, okay, good.